Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn about simplifying the irrational numbers, and it is the real numbers chapter from 9th standard CBSE syllabus. Let us start with the first numerical. Rationalize the denominators of the following and simplify. So we have root 2 plus root 5 plus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2. And how do we do this? They have given rationalize the denominator. So when we are rationalizing the denominator, it is root 5 minus root 2. It is the denominator. So what we are doing, root 5 plus root 2 divided by root 5 plus root 2. So this is the way we have to rationalize. And when we see the numerator, it is a plus b into a plus b, which is root 5 plus root 2 whole square, divided by the denominator, it is a minus b into a plus b. So it is root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Let us take root 5 plus root 2 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square, which we can write it as a square plus 2ab plus b square. And this one a plus b into a minus b, as I have already written, a plus b into a minus b will be equal to a square minus b square. So this already I have written. Now let us see the numerator. It will be root 5 whole square, applying this formula or identity, plus 2 into root 5 into root 2, where root 5 is a and root 2 is b, and this is root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square. Now if divided by root 5 whole square is 5 minus root 2 whole square is 2. And next root 5 whole square is 5 plus, if we multiply this whole thing, we get 2 root 10. 5 2s are 10 plus root 2 whole square is 2 divided by 3. And further simplification, it will give us 7 plus 2 root 10 by 3. This is the simplest form of root 5 plus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. Let us go for the next one. It is it is 5 plus root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. Now as usual, what we are supposed to do, we have to simplify by rationalizing the denominator. So let us do that. We have 5 plus root 3 divided by 7 minus 4 root 3 into 7 plus 4 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. Correct? And now what we are doing, we have to multiply this. So let me multiply this 5 with 7 plus 4 root 3. And we have plus here. So we will take that plus and then root 3 divided into 7 plus 4 root 3. Whole divided by, and then we have as a plus b into a minus b form in the denominator, which gives us a square minus b square. So let us apply that identity. It is 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. And now let us multiply the numerator. 7 5s are 35 plus 20 root 3 plus 7 root 3 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. So that is 4 into 3 divided by 7 square is 49 minus 4 square is 16. Root 3 whole square is 3. So now if we further simplify, we'll get 35 plus 20 root 3 and 7 root 3 will be giving us 27 root 3. We can add them because they are like surds. 4 3s are 12 divided by 49 minus 16 3s are 48. And if we simplify further, 35 plus 12 will get 47 plus 27 root 3 divided by 1. So we can leave that one as it is. And the answer is 47 plus 27 root 3. Okay. Let us go for the next one. See, again we have here 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 divided by 48 plus 48 plus 18. Now we will simplify this root 48 plus root 15. Then we can do further. Root 2 divided by, how do we simplify this 48? We can write down 16 threes are. 16 is a square number, perfect square number, and 3 is not a perfect square number. In the same way, 18, 9 is the perfect square number and 2 is a non-perfect square number. And now we will have root 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 divided by 16's square root. We can take out 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Now we have to rationalize the denominator. If we rationalize the denominator, we are going to get 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 divided by 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Correct? And then what? Let us multiply the numerator 4 root 3 into 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Now let us multiply this by 5 root 2. Plus is there, so plus 5 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 divided by, and if you see the denominator, we have a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b, we know it is a square minus b square. So let us implement this formula or identity here. 4 root 3 whole square minus 3 root 2 whole square. Let us start simplifying it now. If you multiply 4 root 3 into 4 root 3, it will be, we are going to get 16 into 3. 4 4s are 16. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 16 into 3 minus 4 3s are 12 into root 3 into root 2, it is root 6. And now we will multiply by 5 root 2. 5 4s are 20. Root 6 minus 5 3s are 15. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 divided by 4 root 3 whole square. It will be 16 into 3 minus 9 into 2. Okay, let us simplify further. 16 3s are 48 minus 12 root 6 plus 20 root 6. We can subtract, we'll get plus 8 root 6 minus 15 2s are 30 divided by 16 3s are 48 minus 9 2s are 18. And if we simplify further, 48 minus 30, we are going to get 18 plus 8 root 6 divided by 48 minus 18 is 30. And now we can remove the common factor from the numerator. It is 2 into 9 plus 4 root 6 divided by 30. And if we simplify it, 2 1s are, 2 15s are, and the answer is 9 plus 4 root 6 divided by 15. So this is the simplifying the given irrational number. Now let us go for the next one. Simplify the following. And in this case, we have a plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. We have two terms of irrational here, irrational numbers. How do we do this? We have to rationalize separately, or else we can take this LCM also and we can do it. I'll do by rationalizing both the terms separately. 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. And we have minus, so let us keep minus there. And we can take we can rationalize this term also, 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Okay. And In the numerator, we have 2 plus root 3 whole square. And in the denominator, we have a plus b into a minus b formula. So it is 2 square minus root 3 whole square. Then minus. In the numerator, we have 2 minus root 3 whole square. And down we have 2 square minus root 3 whole square. Okay. Next, we can apply the formula a plus b whole square here. So it is 2 square plus 2 into root 3 plus root 3 whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, then 4 minus 3, then minus, in this case it is a minus b whole square. We can write it as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if we implement that formula here, it will be 2 square minus 2 into root 3, and then it is plus root 3 whole square divided by 4 minus 3. And next, after simplifying further, we are going to get this as 4 plus 2 2s are 4 root 3, and root 3 whole square will be plus 3, and divided by 1 minus, let me keep the this one bracket, and this will be 4 minus 4 root 3 plus 3 divided by 1. So LCM will be 1 only, and we can just simplify the numerator. Let us simplify the numerator. It is 4 plus 4 root 3. It is, we can take it as 7 plus 4 root 3 minus, let me keep this bracket, 7 minus 4 root 3. And it is 7 plus 4 root 3 minus 7 plus 4 root 3. Plus 7 minus 7 cancels, and we have to add 4 root 3 and 4 root 3. It is 8 root 3. This is the answer. Let us go for the next one. It is root 32 plus root 48 by root 8 plus root 12. Let us do this. Now we can simplify this first. Let us simplify this. 16 into 2 plus, this is 16 minus 3 divided by, this can be 4 into 2 plus, this can be 4 into 3. Now if we take out the this one square root of 16, it is 4 root 2 plus 4 root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3. And after further division, we can take out common factor here. 4 is common factor. Root 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 into root 2 plus root 3. And we can cut root 2 plus root 3 by root 2 plus root 3. We can cancel them. Then 2 1s are 2 2s are. So the answer is 2. This is our answer. Let us go for the next one. Next kind. It is root 2 plus root 3 divided by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 6. And then what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to find out the value of a and b. So find the value of a and b. Let us find out that. Let us rationalize the denominator in this case. So let me take the LHS is equal to root 2 plus root 3 divided by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. And now let us rationalize it. Divided by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Now let us multiply the numerator. Root 2 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by, in the numerator we have a plus b into a minus b. So let us do that. It is a square minus b square. So 3 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 3 whole square. And now what? Let us multiply the numerator's first term. It is 3 into root 2 is 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 3 into 3 root 3 into root 2 root 6 plus 2 into root 3 is 3 divided by 3 root 2 whole square is 3 square is 9 into 2 minus 2 square is 4 into 3. Let us further simplify this. We have 2 3s are 6 plus 2 root 3. Oh sorry, this is here it is 2 3s are 6 it is 6. Now root 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6. So we will get, sorry, this is plus roots 3 root 6 plus 3 root 6, that we will get 5 root 6. We will get 5 root 6 plus 2 3s are 6 divided by 18 minus 12. And next, after further simplification, 6 plus 6 we can add 12 plus 5 root 6 divided by 6. And let us write down, let us divide the numerator terms by 6. 12 by 6 plus 5 root 6 by 6. And we will get 6 1s are 6 2s are 2 plus 5 by 6 root 6. Let us compare this with the a plus b root 6. Then a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5 by 6. Okay. Yes, we'll go for the next one, the last one in this video. If root 2 is equal to 1.4142, then find square root of root 2 minus 1 by square root of root 2 plus 1. Okay. We have to, our irrational numbers are inside the square root of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. So what we are doing, we are rationalizing the denominator which are there inside the square root. So into root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. Now let us write down the numerator. Let us multiply the numerator. If you multiply the numerator, we are getting root 2 minus 1 whole square. And the denominator, we are applying the formula a minus b into a plus b. It is equal to root 2 whole square minus 1 square. And now if we see the numerator, if we take out the square root of the numerator, we are going to get, it is root 2 minus 1, right? Square and the square root will cancel. So root 2 minus 1. And the denominator, root 2 whole square is, let us write down the square root of this. Root 2 whole square is 2 minus 1. And this will be root 2 minus 1 by 1, square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1 itself, right? So finally, let us apply the formula for this. Root 2 minus 1 can be written as root 2 is 1.4142 minus 1. So the answer will be 0.4142. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Take care. Thank you.